Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we are going to break down two important terms in the world of economics: broad money and reserve money. Well, it might sound a little complex, but do not worry. We will make it simple for you. So let's dive in right away. Now, what is broad money? Now, this is a measure of the total amount of money held by households and companies in the country. It includes not only physical money like coins and notes, but also money that easily accessible like checking account, saving account, and short-term deposits. So think of broad money as a big umbrella covering all the money that is quickly available to spend or invest. So any money which you can spend, invest, or use is broad money. Very simple. Now let's talk about reserve money. Now, this is quite different. Reserve money, also known as the monetary base or high power money. It is the total amount of money in the country that the banks can use as a basis to give out loans. Now, there is a difference. Broad money included everything that can be used by a common man. Now, when we talk about reserve money, it is the total amount of money in a country that a bank can use as a basis to give out loans. So, what does it consist? It consists of currency in circulation plus the reserves of commercial banks held in the central bank, which is the Central Bank of India and Reserve Bank of India. So this money includes all the currency which is in circulation plus all the reserves bank of commercial banks, reserve amount of commercial banks held in RBI. In other words, it's the money that the banks have in their vaults, both physical vault and in their account at the central bank. So what's the connection between broad money and reserve money? Well, reserve money is the foundation of broad money. Banks use the reserve money to provide loans, which then becomes deposit, contributing to broad money in the economy. And there you have it, broad money and reserve money simplified and made it easy for you. Understanding these terms gave us a better grip on how money circulates in the economy and how banks operate. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy to understand explanations of complex topics. Stay tuned for more and keep learning. Thank you.